Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. This is your maths teacher Shweta Bajaj.
Now students, we are going to start with the chapter number 1, Knowing Our Numbers. Before starting, subscribe my channel if not subscribed yet, and don't forget to share and like the video. And please mention your name, class and section in the comment box for attendance. Now students, in our previous classes, we have learnt about large numbers, their number names in Indian as well as international system of numeration, their place value, their face value, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now students, in our today's video, we are going to start with comparing numbers, and we can compare two numbers by the given two rules. And the rule number 1 says that if the number of digits in the given numbers is not same, then the number with greater number of digits is greater. And here one example is shown to us, and the example says that compare the numbers 6535 and 250. Now students, here number of digits in 6535 is 4 and number of digits in 250 is 3. And you know that 4 is greater than 3. So this means 6535 is greater than 250, as a number with more digits is greater. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next is rule 2, and rule 2 says that if the number of digits in the given numbers are same, then compare the digits at the leftmost place of both the numbers. The number with larger digit will be greater than the number with smaller digit. Now here one example is shown to us, and the example says that compare the numbers 23 and 32. Now students, number of digits in 23 is 2 and number of digits in 32 is also 2. So that means the number of digits in both the numbers is same. So we will compare the leftmost digit of these numbers. And here 3 is greater than 2. Therefore 32 is greater than 23. Hopefully it is also clear to you.
Now exercise 1A, question number 1 says that which one is the greatest? Greatest means bigger, and A part says that 467 or 2345. Now students, here 467 has 3 digits and 2345 has 4 digits. So 2345 is greater than 467 since 4 is greater than 3. Hopefully this part is clear to you. Next is C part of the same question, and in this we are having 7091 and 7709. Now students, here both the numbers are 4-digit numbers, so we will compare them by looking at the thousands place, and here at the thousands place we are having 7 in each of the number. So we will compare the second digit from the left, and the second digit from the left is 0 and 7, and in this 7 is greater than 0. So 7709 is greater than 7091. Hopefully it is also clear to you. Next is question number 2, and question number 2 says that write the greatest and the smallest of the following, and C part says that 79,075, 77,095, 79,775 and 78,092. Now students, for writing the greatest and the smallest number, firstly, we will count the number of digits in each of these numbers, and on counting the number of digits in each of these numbers, we find that all numbers are having 5 digits. So what we will do, what is our next step? Now we will start comparing the digit at the leftmost place in each of these numbers. And here in each of these numbers, the digit at the leftmost place is 7777 each. So that means same. So what is the next step? We will check the next digit, that is digit at the thousands place. And here the digit at the thousands place is 9, here 7, here 9 and here 8. And you know that 9 is greater than 7 and 8. So this means out of this first number and third number, we will get the greatest number. And see, here we are having 9, here we are having 9. So we will compare the next digit, that is the digit at the hundreds place. In the first number we are having 0 and in the third number we are having 7. And you know that 7 is greater than 0. So this means 79,775 is the greatest number. Now next we want to write down the smallest number. So from this second number and fourth number, we will get the smallest number. And for finding the smallest number out of the second and fourth, we will check the digit at the thousands place. Here in the second number we are having 7 and in the fourth number we are having 8. And you know that 7 is less than 8. So this means 77,095 is the smallest number. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next is D part of the same question, and in this part we are having 10,889, 10,988, 19,088 and 18,099. Now students, first of all we will count the number of digits in each of these numbers, and on counting we found that all the numbers are 5-digit numbers, right? So in the next step we will start looking at the leftmost digit in each of these numbers, and the leftmost digit in each of these numbers is 1 each. That means same. So we will look at the digit at the thousands place, and in the first number the digit at the thousands place is 0. In the second number again 0. In the third number we are having 9, and in the fourth number we are having 8. And you know that 9 is greater than 0 and 8. So this means this third number is the greater one. That means 19,088 is the greatest number. And to find the smallest number, we will look at the digit at the thousands place of first, second and fourth number. And in first, second and fourth number, we are having 0, 0 and 8 at the thousands place. And students, you know that 0 is less than 8. So this means out of these two numbers, that is first and second, we will get our smallest number. But here digit at the thousands place is same. So we will look at the digit at the hundreds place. And here in the first number the digit at the hundreds place is 8, and here we are having 9. And you know that 8 is less than 9. So this means 10,889 is the smallest number. Hopefully it is clear to you.
Next topic is descending order. And descending order is when numbers are arranged from largest to smallest. Numbers in descending order go down. And you have to remember that descending and down both start with the letter
Next is question number 3, and question number 3 says that arrange the following numbers in descending order. And B part says that 23,066, 20,366, 23,064, 24,063, 23,067. Now students, you know that descending means arranging the numbers in bigger to smaller. So arranging these numbers in descending order, we will get 24,063 at the first place, 23,067 at the second place, 23,066 at the third place, 23,064 at the fourth place, and 20,366 at the fifth place. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next is C part of the same question, and here the numbers are 10,895, 18,095, 10,995, 19,708, 19,803, and on arranging it in descending order, we will get 19,803 at the first place, 19,708 at the second place, 18,095 at the third place, 10,995 at the fourth place, and 10,895 at the fifth place. Hopefully, it is also clear to you.
Next topic is ascending order. And students, ascending order is when numbers are arranged from smallest to largest. Ascending order is the opposite of descending order. And you have to remember that descending means goes down, so ascending means goes up.
Next is question number 10, and question number 10 says that using the digits 3, 5 and 7, write all possible 3-digit numbers and arrange them in ascending order. So students, first of all, we will write down all the 3-digit numbers which can be formed using 3, 5 and 7, and after that we will arrange those numbers in ascending order. Ascending means from smaller to bigger, and on doing so you will get 357 is less than 375 is less than 537 is less than 573 is less than 735 is less than 753 as your answer. Hopefully it is clear to you.
Next topic is formation of the smallest and the greatest numbers using the given digits. Now firstly we will learn how to write the smallest number. Firstly, write the smallest digit and then write the numbers in ascending order. Or if in the given numbers 0 is given, then first write the smallest number and then 0 and then write the numbers in ascending order. For example, in first example you can see the digits 3, 9, 8, 6 are given. So to form the smallest number, you will write these digits in ascending order, and on writing it in ascending order, you will get your answer as 3689. And if the digits 1, 4, 0, 5 are given, then first of all you will write the smallest number, that is 1, then you will write 0, and then you will write the remaining digits in ascending order, and on doing so you will get your answer as 1045. Hopefully it is clear to you. So students, from here one important note is there, and it says that whenever one of the given digits is 0, while forming the smallest number, we do not write 0 at the extreme left position, but at the second place from the left. Next is to write the biggest number, and for writing the biggest number, students, you have to write the digits in descending order. For example, in the first example, if the digits are 3, 9, 8 and 6, then on arranging these digits in descending order, we will get our biggest number as 9863. And in the second example, if the digits are 1, 4, 0, 5, then on arranging these digits in descending order, we will get 5410 as an answer. Hopefully it is clear to you. Now students, one important note is given, and in this note it is written that if you have given 4 digits and you are required to write 5-digit smallest number, then write the smallest digit first twice and then write the numbers in ascending order. And if in the given numbers 0 number is given, first write the smallest number and then twice 0, and then write the numbers in ascending order. For example, in the first example, the digits 3, 9, 8, 6 are given. So to form the 5-digit smallest number, first of all repeat the smallest digit 2 times. That is, you will repeat 3 2 times, and then you will write the remaining digits in ascending order, and on doing so you will get 33,689 as your answer. And in the second example, the digits 1, 4, 0, 5 are given. Here 4 digits are given to you and you have to make a smallest 5-digit number. So in this case, what you will do, first of all write down the smallest number, and here the smallest number is 1. Okay, after writing 1, you have to repeat 0 2 times, and then you will write the remaining digits in ascending order, and on doing so you will get 10,045 as the smallest 5-digit number. Hopefully it is clear to you.
Now question number 4 says that using the digits 2, 3, 9, 6, write. A part says the greatest 4-digit number. So students, to write the greatest 4-digit number, we will arrange these digits in descending order, and on doing so we will get 9,632 as an answer. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next is C part of the same question, and it says that write the greatest 5-digit number using the digits 2, 3, 9, 6. Now here we want to write a 5-digit number, but the number of digit given to us is 4. So what we will do, we will repeat the greatest digit twice and arrange rest of the digits in descending order, and on doing so we will get our greatest 5-digit number as 99,632. Hopefully it is also clear to you. Next is D part of the same question, and it says that write the smallest 6-digit number. Now since we are having only 4 digits with us, but we want to write the smallest 6-digit number, so what we will do, we will repeat the smallest digit thrice and arrange rest of the digits in ascending order, and on doing so we will get our smallest 6-digit number as 2,22,369. Hopefully it is also clear to you. Next is question number 5, and question number 5 says that change the position if required to get the smallest 6-digit number, and A part says that 2,39,760. So to write the smallest 6-digit number, we will write the smallest number 2 at the first place, then we will write 0, and then we will write the remaining digits in ascending order, and on doing so we will get 2,03,679 as an answer. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next is D part of the same question, and we are having 2,45,056, and to write the smallest 6-digit number, first of all we will write the smallest number 2 at the first place, then we will write 0, and then we will write the remaining digits in ascending order, and on doing so we will get 2,04,556 as an answer. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next is question number 6, and question number 6 says that change the position if required to get the greatest 6-digit number, and A part says that 9,87,215. Now students, since we want to write down the greatest 6-digit number, so we will write these digits in descending order, and on writing these digits in descending order we will get our number as 9,87,521. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next is C part of the same question, and in this we are having 4,81,230. So students, to write the greatest 6-digit number, we will again arrange these given digits in descending order, and on doing so we will get our answer as 8,43,210. Hopefully it is also clear to you. Next is question number 7, and question number 7 says that use the given digits to make the greatest and smallest 4-digit number, and C part says that 4507. Now students, to write the greatest 4-digit number, we will write the given digits in descending order, and on doing so we will get 7540 as our answer. And to write the smallest 4-digit number, we will write the smallest number, that is 4, at the first place. Then we will write 0, and then we will write the remaining numbers in ascending order, and on doing so we will get 4057 as an answer. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next is D part of the same question, and we are having the digits 1, 4, 9, 6. Now students, to write the greatest 4-digit number, we will arrange the given digits in descending order, and on doing so we will get 9641 as our answer. And for writing the smallest 4-digit number, we will arrange the given digits in ascending order, and on doing so we will get 1469 as our answer. Hopefully it is also clear to you. Next is question number 8, and question number 8 says that make the greatest and smallest 5-digit number by using the following digits, and C part says that 0, 5, 7. Now students, here we are having 3 digits with us, but we want to write down the greatest 5-digit number. So for writing the greatest 5-digit number, we will repeat the greatest digit 3 times, and then we will write the remaining digits in descending order, and on doing so we will get 77,750 as a answer. And for writing the smallest 5-digit number, we will write the smallest number 5 at the first place, then we will repeat this 0 3 times, and then in the last we will write 7, and on doing so we will get 50,007 as our smallest 5-digit number. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next is D part of the same question, and in this we are having the digits 9, 5, 2. Here we are having 3 digits with us, but we want to write down the greatest 5-digit number. So for writing the greatest 5-digit number, we will repeat the greatest digit 3 times, and then we will write the remaining digits in descending order, and on doing so we will get 99,952 as our greatest 5-digit number. And for writing the smallest 5-digit number, firstly we will write the smallest digit 3 times, and then we will write the remaining digits in ascending order, and on doing so we will get 22,259 as our smallest 5-digit number. Hopefully it is clear to you. Next is question number 9, and question number 9 says that make the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers using any 4 different digits with the conditions given, and B part says that 9 at hundreds place. Now students, it is given that the digit 9 is at hundreds place. Since we have to form a 4-digit number, so there will be digits at its ones, tens, hundreds and thousands place. Now the digits which can be used to make any number are 0 to 9, and we already know that 9 is at hundreds place, so we are left with 0 to 8. Also 0 cannot be placed at the thousands place because we need a 4-digit number. So in order to write the greatest 4-digit number, the digit at the thousands place should be the greatest of 1 to 8, and the greatest of 1 to 8 is 8. So at thousands place we will write 8. Also no digit can be repeated, so we are left with 1 to 7, and the greatest of 1 to 7 is 7. So at the tens place we will write 7. Now we are left with 1 to 6, and the greatest of 1 to 6 is 6. So at the ones place we will write 6, and on writing this we will get 8,976 as the greatest 4-digit number. Same way, we already know that 9 is at hundreds place, so we are left with 0 to 8. Also 0 cannot be placed at thousands place because we need a 4-digit number, but we can write 0 at the tens place, so we will write 0 at the tens place. Now the digit at thousands place should be the smallest of 1 to 8, so at thousands place we will write 1. Also, no digit can be repeated. Now we are left with 2 to 7, and the smallest of 2 to 7 is 2. So at the ones place we will write 2. And on writing this, we will get 1902 as the smallest 4-digit number. Hopefully it is clear to you.
So students, with this our exercise 1A is over. Now pause your video and note down your home task, and in your home task you have to do the remaining parts of question number 1 to 9. For any doubts or queries, you can leave your message in the comment section. I hope you like the video. Thank you.